Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Oh no, Polly Parrot has escaped. Why not help Peppa and George find her in the Where's Polly game? Talking Parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 silly sentences that Polly says. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Try another one. Mummy Pig is a happy banana.
Mummy Pig is a happy banana.
Try another one. George is a funny car.
George is a funny car.
Try another one. Danny Dog is a blue monkey.
Danny Dog is a blue monkey.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a big pumpkin.
Daddy Pig is a big pumpkin.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a green yo-yo.
Rebecca Rabbit is a green yo-yo.
Try another one. Pedro Pony is a yellow chicken.
Pedro Pony is a yellow chicken.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a happy pumpkin.
Peppa Pig is a happy pumpkin.
Well done! You've won a sticker. Try another one. There are lots of fun games to play here. Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 20 correct crackers you feed Polly.
Polly wants a red cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a red cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 red crackers. Polly wants more.
There are lots of fun games to play here. Where's Polly? Oh dear, where's Polly? Help Peppa and George find Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. Try the bedroom. Try the bedroom. You found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the garden. Where could she be? Try the garden. You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the bathroom. You've found her. Polly, where are you? Try the garden. You've found Polly. Well done. There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Touch the cards to make a pair. Peppa Pig. George. Richard Rabbit. George. George. That's right. Teddy. Candy Cat. Candy Cat. Super! Teddy. That's it! Peppa Pig. Danny Dog. Danny Dog. That's right. Richard Rabbit. Great! Peppa Pig. That's it! Well done!
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye!